How to update Java on Windows 10. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can update the Java on Windows 10. So it is a very easy method you can follow up. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video and update up our JavaScript from our Windows 10. So for that, you can directly head over to your control panel. You can go ahead and type in control panel in the search bar. Just go ahead and type in that and open up the control panel in the computer. After it opens up, this menu appears. So under this view by category, you need to select the category option, the first one, and you'll be finding this menu on the screen. Go ahead and look at the option called programs, and when you head over there, you'll easily finding Java right here. So all you need to do is double click on it, and when you open it up, this menu appears. So on this Windows, you will be finding update section. Head over to update, so you can check mark this check-in for update status, and you can also schedule. After that, in the bottom, you can find update now. Go ahead and click on it, click on OK. After that, apply it, and that will update your Java panel. So that is how you do it. It is a very easy method you can apply up. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.